how to do payroll in Xero. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can do payroll in Xero. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is gather the necessary details like your organization's GST number, payroll payment date, pay frequencies, and pay items, which include earnings, deductions, and reimbursements. Over here, assign yourself or your payroll administrator the payroll admin user role in Xero. After that, go to the payroll organization settings and select the bank account from which you'll make payroll payments. Then check the default payroll accounts Xero provides. These include the pay liability account, wages expense account, and wages payable account. Over here, Xero will automatically sync your accounts every time you post a pay run. Next, enter your organization's IRD number. After that, in the employer size field, select small if your annual pay taxes are less than $500,000 per financial year, or large if they are over $500,000. Then set the opening balances date to match the month in which your next pay run payment falls. For example, if your next payment date is the 24th of November, select the 1st of November. After that, upload your company logo to customize your pay slips. Then set up pay calendars for different pay periods, such as weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, and give each calendar a unique name. Finally, categorize pay items like earnings, deductions, and leave. Over here, Xero includes default pay items such as ordinary pay, holiday pay, and QEsaver contributions, but you can also create new ones for items like bonuses or commissions. So that's how you can do payroll in Xero. That's all for this video.